keep in mind that you actually don't have any specific account for YouTube TV to sign up or signing in because you always use your Google account from the first time. So, to change YouTube TV password, you need to change your own Google account password. And then to change your Google account password, here on the Google search, you can just type in my account Google and then click on this myaccount.google.com. You can just click on it. And you want to make sure your Google account that you're signing in right now is the same one as you're signing in on your YouTube TV account. And then after that, you want to click on the security right here at the left side of your screen. And then right here on how you sign into Google, you want to click on the password. And then right here on the password, you can just type in your new password and then typing in the new password again. Just a reminder that if you do this, you may signing out from all of the platform that you ever sign in or sign up using the specific Google account. But don't worry, you just need to sign in again using your new password. And then the second one, if you ever forget your YouTube TV password, then you want to change your Google account password. To make it easy, on your computer desktop, you want to open the incognito version of your browser. And then on the search bar, you want to type in for Google login and then click on this account.google.com. After that, you can just type in on your email of the Google account and then click on the next. After that, you want to make sure your Google account is having a two-factor authentication or 2FA, where you add your phone number as your backup or adding any recovery email and so on. And then you can just click on any of them to recover your password. And then you will log into your Google account and then do changing password as we do before. And that's how to change password at YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.